Hi, I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years now. I'm going to show you today how to make miniature cards. I have here a piece of scratch paper, white because color pops on it. I like it. You can use any color you like. So what you're going to do is cut just a little bit off. See this piece here? I don't know what size it is. You can eye it. It looks different to you than it does to me, I'm sure. And you're going to fold it over. Just once, not too many times, just once. Make sure you get a nice edge on it with your scissors or ruler or book or anything that you've got handy. Probably scissors because you just cut the paper. And make sure that it opens properly. Yep, it opens properly. But guess what we're going to do? I like this size, but I'm going to show you something cool. Check this out. There's one. There's 2 and 3. Look at that. We've got 3 different size cards. You open them up and you can write anything you want in them. If you've got really tiny handwriting, these would be really cool for you because who knows what kind of note you can write on the front of it. Now, it's a card, so you want to make sure that you decorate it. What are you going to do? Grab some Elmer's glue maybe? Maybe draw, I don't know, like a flower, or maybe you do like comic book designs, or maybe you have a certain like face or character that you draw. A lot of you are really artistic and really super creative with what you got. And I know that anybody that you're going to send these things to, they're going to love it. So I put some Elmer's glue on it and look at what I'm doing. I'm adding glitter to it. I've got blue and I have, let's do blue and gold today, shall we? Now put it over another piece of paper so you don't waste all this glitter, because glitter can be overpriced sometimes. By the way, I got this glitter at the craft store, I think Michael's, and I think it was like, I don't know, $2-3 or something for a big piece, or for a couple of tubes of it. Check that out. How pretty that is. Nice, right? And you can write a little greeting on front, or you don't have to, but write something nice inside, or, you know, like I said, draw a picture, or doodles, or whatever you want to do. It's your miniature card, and that's how you do it. All different sizes, and you can, check this out. You want to make it even smaller? Now these, you can't really do much with these. You're probably going to have to toss those aside. But this is another little super miniature card. Isn't that fun? Draw dots in it. I don't know what else you would do. It's pretty small, but I'm sure you can figure it out. Have a good time. We'll see you next time.